So Dustin's been with us for a long time, over 10 years. He's been a leader on our floor, he's been an operator, a wealth of knowledge, always willing to jump in.
Using Red Zone, it's a lot more organized and you can call stuff out if you see a problem.
Cameron's only been with us 2 or 3 years. A lot of knowledge, a quick learner, able to jump in.
It means a lot to me that they recognize me. I've been working hard and trying to move up and trying to keep moving up as I go.
When they see things, they're calling it out, they're putting the pictures in there, sharing information, and making sure that everybody understands that, this is kind of the activity that we want to use going forward.